once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here again at O'Reilly's, and here we have a Vauxhall Astra 1.7 Cdti, and it is this engine here. There it is without the engine cover, 1.7 Cdti DTH, or maybe something like that, one or the other codes. It's got a service now engine light on the dash, so we'll have a look at that. So let's start it up. Oh, we've got the bonnet open, so it might be about that. Yeah, there you go. That might have confused the maybe we should have left the bonnet open there, but or the bonnet closed, I mean. Let's try that with the bonnet down. We had a constant message on here before we opened the bonnet. Have a little wait, sometimes it may take a minute. And here we go there, we've just got the message pop up randomly now. Sometimes it's consistent, other times it just is a bit random. But there you go, you can see what message we're talking about. Okay, so I've got my diagnostic computer here connected, but I was a little bit hasty. I've pressed erase by mistake, but we had a code P0674 -00 this code here, and it's for the glow plug cylinder 4. So what we're going to do is go into some live data, go across glow plug data I got here, and we'll go down along, see, and if we look here, cylinder 1 resistance 0.0 to 56, so the normal resistance is anywhere between 0 to 0.65, as you can see there. And then we've got cylinder 4 here, and that's on 12 ohms. So this is a faulty glow plug, clearly on cylinder 4. So we've got a little set of glow plug removal tools. It's basically just a 12mm socket with a swivel on it, and that's just the set that we're using here. But you can just use a ordinary 12mm socket for this type. This is the Omega brand. If we come back to the front of the engine here, you've got 4 plugs, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it will be running in this order on this engine from cam belt to the other side here. And we're going to get just a long nose pliers just to just get around the plug there, just get a nice grip on it, but not too hard to break it. And we'll just try and slip it up. Should just pull straight up nicely. Let's just try and get a nice grip on it somewhere. That's it, and it's out. And we can just pull that up. These are not your average glow plug, so it's quite different. We'll see that once we pull it out here. I'll show you. These have sensors on them, and it can read the pressure of each cylinder. We'll get our socket, and we'll just get a torch down there for you. Just slip it right over the top there, and it should just come off with easy turn, a little bit of a nudge, and it's off. So we'll get that ratchet off. We can undo it by hand. What I have done here before I've tried to open this, I should have mentioned, is I've run the engine up to operating temperature 90 degrees, so it's nice and warm. Got a lot less chance of anything breaking that way. So now that's loose. Let's just get our fingers down there and pull that out. There we go, let that focus. You can see the end of this glow plug is sort of bulging up, got loads of lumps in it, like someone's been spot welding on the bottom of it there. And these are the big nice fancy glow plugs with these cylinder pressure sensors on each top. Very expensive. It's probably the most expensive glow plug I've ever come across, to be honest. And there it is, £139 sterling. But shop around, you can get them for around, you'll get them around about the £100 mark if you shop around online. Over here we've got a brand new one. Just going to put that old one here. We'll get our new glow plug. We'll put that down and just slip it down back in the hole where it goes. Get our little socket here and just spin her on. Range ratchet and just a tiny little nip, 5 Newton meters. If you don't know what 5 Newton meters is, you make sure and use the torque spanner. Now we can just plug that back in. And just click it down into place. It should just you'll feel a little clunk as it goes into the right place. Look at some of the diagnostic data you can see here for the cylinder 1 combustion pressure. That's what these sensors are for on the top of each glow plug there. Tells you what your combustion pressure is. So everything looks round about where it should be. So now we're back in the car. We've reset the, well, that's already been reset from before. And we can start it up. Bonnet open there. But the service vehicle now thing should never come back now. That's the P0674, I think it was I said the code for the injectors, glow plugs. Okay, that's the vehicle started back up, and that's the fourth glow plug changed, and the fault is obviously that we cleared earlier on is still clear, and that's all for that. Normally, as you'd say, you'd always change 4 glow plugs, but this being quite an exceptionally priced glow plug, just here we decided just to change the one for now. They're not your standard glow plug, unfortunately. So that's all for this video. See you in our next one.